Today I will show you what is included in the Magformers primary and intermediate maker kit. Magformers are more than just a magnetic toy. They allow students to unleash their creativity through constructing 2 and 3D shapes. This kit is designed for 2 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. There's also a model booklet with some construction ideas to get your students started. This kit contains 20 triangle pieces, 30 square pieces, and 12 pentagon pieces. Here's an example of something constructed using multiple shapes. When students are done creating, have them place all shapes back together in the container. Check out the Maker Kit website for more information ideas. Reach out to your ed tech with any questions. Thank you.